Ito na yung view sa taas ng GMO Resort. Ito, hindi pa lang nalilinisan, kaya ganyan pa yung kulay niya. Pero the rest of the pools naman are okay to use. Kasi maluwang pa siya oh. Kasi marami pang available land na pwede nilang i-upgrade pa. Actually, it's really, really nice already. Just with their cottage, ang ganda-ganda na ng cottage nila. Very dreamy. Fairy tales. It's really good for kids. Even for adults too. Dahil I myself enjoyed it too. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Kapag na-vlog ko na yung, na-i-upload ko na yung full, niya, yung nilakad namin. At least makikita yung surrounding area ng drone. Mount Arayat. Only at Magalang, Pampanga. The kids will really enjoy it here.